What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Cuts, man. Y'all tell my cousin to pick his head up. I'm looking at the footage. I'm like, yo, he would not pick his head up. Tell him to pick his head up. All right? But listen, first step, you know what I'm saying? This is just going to be a regular little taper haircut. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my bald guideline A with my cocoa trimmers. I'm going to debulk all of that unwanted hair, you know what I'm saying, that we don't want on the taper. And then we're going to flow right into our next step, which is going to be the lever open about a half an inch. My next step after going up a half an inch with my lever open, I'm going to go with my one guard up another half an inch, closed with the one guard closed up another half an inch. And then I'm going to take that next guideline and I'm going to go with the grain with my one guard closed. And then we are going to detail with the one guard and play with the lever. Y'all can see here, I'm just detailing with that one guard closed, and then we're gonna take out that middle guideline with my 0.5 guard. And the more I'm higher into the fade, I'm gonna open the lever. The more lower I go into the fade, I'm gonna close the lever, taking out that bottom guideline. And as soon as I'm at the middle guideline, and then we're gonna take out that bottom guideline with the lever closed. Also playing with the lever, just making sure that fade blends all the way in. Side tapers, man, his hair is very light, so I'm gonna still do my same steps. You're gonna see me with my 0.5 guard on, really detailing a lot with that guard. But to make things short, I have to push his vertical bars back, and the client has asked for that because of the fact that if I kept it natural, his lineup would just be so small. So I kind of have to imagine another lineup there. We're taking down everything with the one guard closed, exactly how I did the back taper. But the lineup, I had to push back the vertical bars. We're going to spray enhancements. I'm taking down the neckline also with the one guard closed. And it's just very stringy and light. So you guys are going to see that I really have to, put in a lot of work and really detail, get those dark spots, not go over some parts because it'll go too low. Just because of the hair density, and that's all it is. So you really just got to detail. It's really just a detail work with the taper. The same is gonna go for this side, same step, same concept. Just take your time. If you are a beginner, just take your time, man. Just take your time. It's all gonna come together when you suit, especially when you put that line on it. I don't know if y'all watch 360 Jeezy, but put a line on it though. Put a line on it though. You feel me? Taking down the front lineup with the one guard closed, making sure everything's even. And then I'm going to use my favorite hair holding spray, Tresemme. I believe this is the 4-hole. I didn't get the 5-hole. I bought a whole box of it. I'm going to spray it on his lineup. I'm going to comb everything down. I'm going to blow dry it. And then I'm going to get the lining it up. And like he said, he was mentioning that I was trying to keep it natural at first. I usually cut them all the time. But, pushing back those vertical bars, making a you know what I'm saying, a wider lineup, or just a wider lineup.
Menino Beat, esquece.
When I be doing that lineup at first, man, like, for me, it came out, I don't know, bro. I try to fix it, bro. One side was dry higher than the other side, but, man, when your client be analyzing that lineup, bro, you be like, especially if your family, you be like, they analyzing that shit, bro, you make me nervous as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. But, hey, we got him situated, you know what I'm saying? W's in the chat, you feel me? Lineup is straight. You see him? You see how he's talking to me? Would you feel me? Follow me on YouTube. I mean, oh, man, just subscribe, man. Just subscribe.